Hello and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. I'm a graphic designer. Today we want to learn how we can make a drop-down menu in Figma. Please open the Figma and we are going to make one frame here. Maybe it's desktop, MacBook Pro. We are going to here to rename it to menu. With the help of Control key, I'm zooming out here and a little bit zoom in. Now I'm going to here to choose rectangle, or simply you can hit the R key. I'm going to delete the fill here. I'm adding the stroke here, a little bit lighter black, and increasing the weight of a stroke here is okay. Now I'm going to write something here like pick up menu, for example. It's better, but we have to go for bold to see. Yeah, this weight is better. I'm going a little bit to zoom it. Then I'm going to choose the pen tool here. I'm coming here to make an arrow here. Hit the escape key to be unselect. Just press the done and increase the weight of a stroke here. A little bit bigger to, yes, it's better now. Then we are going to align them horizontally, and I'm going to group them by hitting the Control G, or you can right click here and come here and see that group selection is here. When it's done, I'm going to duplicate this group 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I'm just deleting this arrow because I don't need them, and changing the text here, for example, breakfast. When it's done, I'm going to select all of them and making group of them again, and coming here and making component. When I made this component here, I need the variant of this component to make my drop-down menu. Now I have to add the variant of this to make my drop-down menu. My variant is here, that you can see it is adding variant, but for some people maybe will stand here and you can go here and add them. Now I'm going to add this variant. I'm selecting the frame to make it to increase and make it a little bit bigger because I need the space. I'm taking this, I'm bringing it here. I'm coming here, you can see this the default and is the variant number 2. And here I need just, at the first place, I need just pick up the menu. I don't need these 3 things here. So I'm going to delete them. And here also, when I'm going to have, when I'm clicking for picking up the menu, then I have to see the complete menu here. Then I'm going to choose another one, for example, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'm going to increase my frame a little bit to have more space and choosing it to extend it. Now I'm going to copy this variant once here. Now I don't need I'm going to delete them. This one, also this, and here I have to make it breakfast. And this one should, should be turned 90 degrees because means that it selected. Now I'm going to copy it 2 times again. I need more space here again. Now I'm going to change the text here to lunch. And here. Dinner. Now is the time to going for prototyping this menu here. I'm going to prototype and I'm going to choose pick up the menu. I'm going to this. It should be just on click. It can be on instant. Maybe we don't need any animation, but if in case you want to have some delay here, you can make here smart animate with the ease out and 300 millisecond. Then I'm coming here and we have to choose this breakfast because I want, when I'm selecting breakfast, to go to this direction and with the same setting again. For now I have to choose lunch to this variant, to lunch with the same settings as well. And now is the time to dinner with the setting of on click and ease out. After connecting the dinner to the variant of dinner, now is a time then when we are clicking on breakfast, they should come back to the main menu from here. Then we are going to connecting them together with the same setting. And here also from this to main menu, on click and smart animate, and on dinner also we are choosing the dinner and I'm coming back here to main menu. Now I'm going here to make another frame here. I'm going to I'm coming to design mode and copying this default, bringing it here, something here, for example, pick, select your choice. here, making it a little bit bigger, for example. Maybe you can change the text to open sense, or maybe whatever you wish to do it. Semi-bold or maybe bold is better, but I'm going to change the color a little bit. Now we made this our new frame here, that you can see that I have written some simple text here. Just select your choice here, and the menu is here. Now we are going to present mode to see how our menu is going to act. In this way, we were able to make this drop-down menu here, and I wish this tutorial was useful for you. And you are going to use this technique in your work. If you got this tutorial useful for yourself, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button for being informed about new video. And thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in next time. Bye.